Hi everyone, I'm Tim Borys from Fresh Wellness Group here in Calgary, Canada. Jill invited me to join you in Kansas City in October next year for her next fitness education event. It's going to be an amazing day and I'm excited to meet each of you. I made this video to fill you in on the course details. So the course is called Coaching for Movement Mastery, Primal Pattern Analysis for Fitness Professionals. As the name says, we'll be taking a deep dive into the practical aspects of functional movement coaching. We'll start to look at some of the key issues in the industry and, of course, defining the goal of functional fitness training. It's not always what people think. We'll work through all 7 of the primal movement patterns. That's push, pull, hinge, squat, lunge, gait, and rotate. Plus, we're going to cover really important factors such as breathing, bracing, alignment, and activation patterns. These are all foundational components of any movement in fitness, sport, or in life. But the way they're taught in traditional programs sets trainers up for, failure and frustration. While you all probably know these things, I can honestly say that most fitness professionals don't know them well enough to understand the nuances of it. I've spent 30 years in the fitness industry, took kinesiology in university, and have taught education programs for many of the major equipment companies such as Viper, TriggerPoint, Twist Conditioning, Bosu, Liebert Training Systems. I've also hired dozens of trainers and instructors in my own gyms and facilities. And this course was created because I saw that these fundamental movement coaching skills weren't being taught effectively in other courses. Now, as fitness professionals, I suspect you already know how to do lots of exercises and will be familiar with these the primal patterns. However, we're going to dig deeper into each one of those patterns, break them down, and view them in the context of overriding principles such as the breathing, bracing, alignment, and activation. Those things get lost in most programs. And every time I teach this course, it amazes people how much of a difference these little nuances seem to make. While you thought you know the squat and the lunge, when you see it in the context of a breathing or a slight alignment change in pelvis or scapular alignment, it makes such a difference. By the end of this course, you'll have a completely new perspective on how to coach movement and create movement-based programs instead of following the old school muscle-based methods. Now, whether you're a coach, trainer, or fitness instructor, you're going to be much more effective at demonstrating, explaining, and creating change in your clients by using these principles. See, the fitness industry is crowded by so many people training the same old way, and this information is going to help you stand out by approaching fitness and movement differently. The skills you'll leave with are directly applicable to private, small, and large group environments. And I'm even going to provide you the forms and the coaching framework needed to show clients value in the first session. And of course, have them be excited about keeping working with you. So I guess the only thing you have to do left is to register. I'll see you then. Of course, feel free to reach out to me or Jill and ask us any questions. We'd love to answer, and we're excited with working with you. Have an awesome day.